always starts with a sound. Soft, slow, almost harmless. In some parts of the Philippines, elders warn that this isn't the bird calling in the night. Not wings, not feathers, but a tall, man-shaped shadow that walks across rooftops under the moonlight. Its arms are too long, its fingers gripped rusted tin sheets. Its glowing eyes scan the darkness below. It listens, not for noise, but for breathing, for the steady heartbeat inside a mother's womb. When it finds the right house, it crouches. Its jaw slowly stretches open, and from its mouth, a thin tongue, longer than any human's, sliding down through the smallest crack in the roof. No screams, no footsteps, just that faint sound. And here's the warning. If the sound is loud, it's still far away. But if it becomes soft, it's already above you. So, tonight, if you hear it, don't look at the ceiling. It might be looking back.